welcome back to another session at Martech Mentor. One of the favorite things I like to do with the AI stuff is use AI against itself, or with itself, in other words. And so let me give you some examples, and this is a great place to start if you're new to the group, because inevitably you're going to have some questions that come up on some of these more detailed automations. And I want to show you how to self-solve a problem using ChatGPT or the AI model of your choice. So let me tell you the way I solve things first. Let's say that I'm here in this ChatGPT module in Make, and there's a message that I'm going to send to ChatGPT. In this case, it says, you are a detailed person who can extract all the details from written content. That's a really simple prompt, but we're going to use that later, all right? If I ever needed help, though, with writing the prompt to get it to output what I want it to do, all I got to do is go over here to to ChatGPT or Perplexity or whatever you prefer, and just start by saying, give me a summary of 10 prompts that I can use to extract major points from content and put into a list. Now, I realize that's a super simple example because I could have just asked GPT to do that for me. But the point is that I'm actually using ChatGPT to give me the prompts that I'm going to use for ChatGPT. And so, I can scan through here and find one. What are the critical pieces of information in the content? List them. I could take this, I could jump back over here, and I could say, hey, that's a great prompt. I want to use it. Let's slap that in here and then test it out and see kind of if it gives me the information I want. So that's a great one. Let's just say that I was looking through here and you're like, Paul, I'm a little bit stuck. I don't know what to do in this one section. What you can do is actually take anything that you see in Make that you're confused about, such as the variables or whatever. You can actually hop over to ChatGPT and you can go to Explore GPTs and look for the software that you're working with. So you can see over here on the side, I have Make.com and JSON to Video as two GPTs that stay here all the time because I use them quite a bit. And so let's just go to JSON to Video. And what it's allowing me to do is interact directly with this particular tool. And so just for the sake of time, I'll pull up one that I just used a minute ago and show you how it might work. And so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me use it. So I say, help me understand how to integrate JSON to video into Make.com workflows. And just like that, in 5 seconds, it gives me a step-by-step example of how to use JSON to video. And now, I didn't know any of that before. Nothing. I don't write code. I don't know all this stuff. But I use ChatGPT to help me understand the other tools that I'm using. Make.com is another one that's great. If you ever get stuck using Make, I love this one right here. Can you help me troubleshoot a workflow on Make.com? And so this is a great one because it'll just walk you through in a conversation, and you basically tell ChatGPT, hey, listen, here's where I'm stuck. I'm trying to accomplish this and it's just not working. Can you help me navigate through that? And you will be shocked at how quickly and easily ChatGPT 90% of the time can get you moving in the right direction, if not give you the blatant answer. So try that out before you go to anyone else and say, how do I do this or how do I do that? Learn to use ChatGPT and other models to give you the answers that you really need, and they're probably going to be better than what a human could give you in a short amount of time, especially if you're trying to solve a problem at 2 a.m. So have fun and let me know if you get stuck.